Okay, so when you're driving past a school at drop-off time and it's wet and it's a 20 area, you're probably doing 20 or less, because there will be people randomly pulling out, like this person, because they've just dropped their kids off and they've got a busy day to get along with, and there's a rent crossing. But no, Mr. Taxi Driver must get in front. Yes, LR11DLN seems to think that this is a place where you don't have to do 20, or rain will not make braking difficult. You must get in front. So here we are as I go off to do 20, or just under again, and we can see him tearing off into the distance. And yeah, I'll get hopefully the rest of this video to add on to the back. But why? You're literally 20 meters in front of me, and you could have run a child over on a crossing. It is just ridiculous. These people need mental help. They are ill. There is something mentally wrong with them.